Have you ever driven past a farm and seen an old, rusty tractor sitting in a field, looking like it's seen better days? For most people, it's just a piece of forgotten machinery. But for a growing community of enthusiasts across America, it's a treasure waiting to be brought back to life. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of vintage tractor restoration. Why do people pour their hearts, souls, and a whole lot of elbow grease into these old iron giants? Let's find out. First off, why the fascination? For many, it's pure nostalgia. These aren't just machines. They're time capsules. A lot of restorers grew up on farms where these very tractors were the backbone of their family's livelihood. Firing up a newly restored John Deere Model B isn't just starting an engine. It's starting a flood of memories of Grandpa, of long summer days, and of a simpler time. It is a way to physically connect with their own history and honor the generations that came before them. It's about preserving a piece of family heritage, a tangible link to the past that you can touch, hear, and even smell. Then there's the sheer challenge and satisfaction of it. Taking a rust bucket that has been sitting silent for 50 years and making it run like new is a massive achievement. It's a complex puzzle. You have to hunt for rare parts, sometimes fabricating them from scratch. You learn mechanics, metalwork, painting, a whole range of hands-on skills that are becoming less common in our digital world. The moment that engine sputters, coughs, and then roars to life for the first time in decades, that's a feeling of accomplishment that is hard to beat. It's a testament to your patience, skill, and dedication. It's also about community. Tractor restoration isn't a solitary hobby. All over the country, there are clubs, shows, and plow days where people gather to show off their restored beauties. They share tips, trade parts, and tell stories. It's a social network built on a shared passion for these incredible machines. These events are like family reunions, celebrating American agricultural history and the engineering that powered a nation. People come together to appreciate the craftsmanship and the history these tractors represent. So, what kinds of tractors are people restoring? You might be surprised by the variety. Of course, you have the big names, the classic two-cylinder John Deeres, with their iconic putt-putt sound. Then there are the fiery red farmalls from International Harvester, which were incredibly popular and came in all sizes. You'll also see plenty of Ford tractors, like the famous 8N, known for its reliability and simplicity. And let's not forget Alastiamas with their distinctive Persian orange paint, or the powerful Minneapolis Molin and Oliver tractors. But it's not just about the famous brands. Some collectors specialize in orphan tractors from companies that have long since gone out of business, like Coxia or Case. Restoring one of these is even more of a challenge because parts are incredibly scarce. Each brand, each model, has its own unique story and its own dedicated following. From the massive prairie busters of the early 20th century to the smaller, more versatile models that revolutionized farming after World War II. Each one is a piece of history. Ultimately, restoring an old tractor is about more than just mechanics. It's about preserving history, honoring family, and connecting with a community of like-minded people. It is about the satisfaction of bringing something back from the brink and making it beautiful and functional again. It's a tribute to the ingenuity and hard work that built this country. So the next time you see one of those old, rusty tractors, maybe you'll see it a little differently, not as a piece of junk, but as a story waiting to be told again. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this look into the world of tractor restoration, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more stories about amazing machines and the people who love them. See you in the next one.